Hello guys, in today's video I'm just about to reveal to you how you can begin making money with CPA marketing or promoting your CPA marketing offers on this platform right here called the Instagram.com. So you want to just simply take advantage of this video right now so that you can actually learn this strategy and go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers on social media platforms like Instagram. So without much introduction, let's just simply jump right into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head on to any CPA marketing platform which you want to make use of. You could use the max bounty right here, the CPA lead, the CPA build, or even the CPA grip. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm going to be sticking on with the CPA grip. So once you do head on to CPA grip right now, you just want to click on register if you don't have an account, where you'll be brought to this page where you just simply have to go on to fill in this form, and make sure you do fill out all the fields that are having this red asterisk signs right here, because that sign actually indicates the fields that are necessary for you to go on to fill in before your account can be created. And once you are done filling those fields right there, go on to clicking on agree to these terms right here. And once you agree to the terms of services, you can actually read that through this section right here. Then click on register now, and if you do register now guys, your account will be created almost immediately, where you can actually go on to logging into your account. And if you're logged into your account, you'll be brought to a dashboard that will look similar to this. So right now guys, you just want to go on to the offer tools section and click on my offers to actually go on to selecting offers which you could go on to promoting. So right here guys, you're going to load offers to a particular country. You could go on to changing the country or promoting offers to any country of your choice. Maybe I want to promote offers to the United States. I'm just going to come right here and type in the United States. And if I do type in that right here, as you could see, I will actually be showing offers available to that particular demographic. You could see that these are a lot of offers right now which you could go on to promoting. So guys, this strategy which I'm going to show you right here, you're just going to use it to promote multiple offers, and we are going to be making use of this platform right here called the link tree. This is a very cool platform which you could use to represent multiple links with just one link. You could use one link to represent multiple links or numerous links right here. So to register on this platform, just come right here, put in the username which you want to use, and click on claim your link tree, and your account will be created. Once your account is created, you'll be brought to a page where you just simply have to go on to inserting stuff like your links right here on this platform. So all you have to do right here is to click on add link. Once you do click on add link, right here you want to go on to pasting the URL to that particular CPA marketing offer. So if I go on to CPA grip, and supposing I want to just simply select this offer right now, promote this offer, you can see right here that these are actually the details to this offer right now. I could just simply copy the link to this offer, head on to my link tree, and paste in that particular link right here. But you will notice something, that once I do click on add, it's going to show me an unsafe link, because I'm actually using a very lengthy link right here on Linktree. So you could see right here the URL is actually unsafe. So instead of doing this, you want to head on to platforms like the tinyurl.com or any link shortening site where you could use this particular website to shorten your link. I'm just going to paste in my link right here, click on shorten URL, and my URL has actually been shortened. You could see the new URL right here. I'm just going to copy the URL and head back to Linktree. And I'm going to just simply remove this lengthy URL and paste the new shortened URL. So guys, once I paste the new shortened URL and I do click on enter, you'll be able to see that now that the link has actually been made accepted. So now I'm just going to go back to CPA grip and copy the title to this offer right here. And if I do copy the title to this offer, I'm just going to copy this, head back to my link tree. And once I'm in my link tree, click on this edit icon and just simply go on to changing the title. And if I do click on enter, the title will successfully be changed, and it's going to change right here. So you can see how amazing that actually looks. So right now you just want to go on to adding a header. After adding as many CPA marketing offers as you can, you want to just simply go on to selecting multiple CPA marketing offers, come on to Linktree and continue adding more links right here. And once you add more links, you could just simply go on to adding a header, and you want to give your headline title. And this title right here, you just want to put in that this offers. So you could just simply put in something like only for US residents or residents. So once you actually do put in something like this right now, you just want to just simply come right here, click on share, where you could get your unique link right here by copying the link and go on to promoting this particular link tree on Instagram. And how do you want to do that? Head on to Instagram right here. You want to make sure you do focus on a particular niche. You could focus on any niche of your choice. You could go on to creating a cool account that is actually related to that niche. You want to make sure the name right there is having a cool name related to that niche. As you could see, this is the make money niche right here, and you could see right here is having a cool name that is actually related to the niche. You could see it also has a cool banner related to that same niche right here. So you want to make sure you do go on to doing something similar to this, and you want to also go on to editing your bio of your account right here. And in the bio of your account, you want to just simply promote that particular Linktree link. As you could see, this person is promoting something right here on his bio of his account. So you want to promote your Linktree link and telling them that you do have a giveaway for them right there at the bottom, and pointing that exactly how this person did right here, but that's going to be to your Linktree link. Then once you do that, guys, you want to make sure that you do drive as much traffic as you can to your profile page. And how do you drive traffic right there is by building your account. So in order for you to build your account, you want to make sure that you are consistent and with posting on Instagram. You want to make sure you do go on to posting about 3 to 4 times a day, and those posts right there need to be actually relevant posts. So you could actually go on to posting a lot right here, about 3 to 4 times a day, and you need to actually be consistent. And actually when you are doing that, guys, your Instagram followers will begin to increase, your Instagram followers will begin to rise right there, and you actually start increasing your audience on Instagram. So that is one way which you could do that. Another way is to go on to people that have actually made it in a particular niche which you are focusing on. Maybe people that are successful in a niche you are focusing on. Head on to their Instagram page and be engaged in their post. You want to make sure you do go on to liking their post and commenting on their post. Also go on to sharing their post right there, and you'll be engaged in their post. In doing so, you're actually increasing your awareness on that particular niche. Some people will be interested in you and go on to following you back. So that's another way which you could do that. Another way which you could do it is by following the money and follow for follow right here. So maybe if you do go onto someone's account right there in a particular niche and you do click on a particular post right here, you could see right here that this post is actually liked by some people right here. You just want to click on the others right here, and you'll be able to see the people that like that post. Then you could then go on to following as many as you can right there, and once you do follow them, a lot of them will intend on following you back. And if they do follow you back, guys, you're actually building your account also, and a lot of people will also be interested in going onto your bio, checking out the link in your bio, copying and clicking on that link, which is going to take them to your Linktree, and they can actually do go on to selecting any offer right here and completing such offers. So if you do that, guys, you're actually growing your account right here. And basically, guys, in posting regularly, you don't need to actually go on to creating the content yourself. You can just simply repost other people's content, but make sure you're actually giving them the credit of that content right there, because that is not your original content. So you want to make sure you do go on to reposting such content and giving them the credit right there. So you could also get content from platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and go on to shortening such videos. Maybe if you want to post a motivational video, you could get videos from TikTok and YouTube. You could then go on to cutting those videos right there and go on to uploading those videos as your Instagram reels. So you could do that right here, and also that will actually help you get a lot of traffic, which you could use to start promoting your CPA marketing offers. So the more traffic you get to people going onto your profile, the more chances you get of actually promoting your CPA marketing offer and getting conversions for that particular offer right here. So you want to just simply take advantage of this strategy right now, start doing this, and start earning some cool cash doing so. So with that being said, guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not go to smashing the like button, subscribing to this channel, and ensuring your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.